Hey everyone, I'm finally back with another Dungeon Delve update. It's been a long time since the previous one because life's been really busy, but I'm finally back to working on the game daily, so devlogs will be a bit more frequent now. But in today's video, I'm going to focus on the biggest changes, which are pets, a lock-on system and effects. Starting off with pets, you can now find combat-ready companions to help you in your fights. When they join you, they follow you into new rooms and fight whatever monsters that you find in there. If they are defeated in battle, they will respawn at full health upon entering the next room. Their driving AI uses the same state machine behaviour as all the other enemies that you come across, so the way the pets act doesn't feel out of place. But since the AI isn't new, I'll show you what is really cool about them. Pets have their own copy of the skills struct and inventory, so you can pass items back and forth to transfer item effects to your pets. This not only makes them look cool because of the item cosmetics, but also improves their performance. And since this design removes items from the player, enemies now have a small chance of dropping items for you to collect. Onto the lock-on system now. This is a feature I decided to add after some feedback from testers who said it was difficult to aim at enemies. How this system functions is when you press the lock-on button, which is currently bound to Q, a distance-ordered list of enemy transforms is created using physics overlap sphere and vector3.distance. If you're not already aiming at an enemy, the closest transform is used as a target, otherwise it cycles through transforms every time you press the lock-on button. Back in Devlog 1, I used the camera's forward vector to determine rotations and directions, but with the introduction of this lock-on system, the target's transform is used instead, so all the movements are relative to this. The next problem I found was aiming the camera at both the player and the enemy without obstructing one for the other. Thankfully, I discovered that Cine Machine has a target group class, which automatically finds a nice middle point between multiple targets based on their weight. So all I had to do was feed it a secondary target and plug this grouping class into a virtual camera. To top it all off, I added an indicator so the player always knows where they are locked onto. The image gets moved about to follow the lock-on target by converting their world position to a screen point. And if you want to release this lock-on, all you have to do is hold down the button and you can return to a free movement. Last up is the new effect system. All weapons, both from the player and enemy, not only deal damage, but also apply lingering effects like bleeding, burning, poison, stun and knockdown. Part of the redesign of the skill system is a chance and resistance percentage. How this works is, two numbers are randomly generated every time damage is being dealt. If the first generated number is less than or equal to the attacker's effect chance, and the second generated number is also greater than the damage receiver's resistance, one or more effects are passed on. Bleeding, burning and poison apply damage over time whilst active. Stun locks a unit in place, preventing movement and attacks, and lockdown pushes you back and only locks control whilst you get back up. Apart from knockdown, all these effects stack, and each stack lasts 0.7 seconds. To convey what is active, the unit affected has an FX and a UI image with a counter. All effects are determined by the weapons and can be expanded at runtime, like the sword oil item applying fire to all weapons. Well, these are the best features I have to show for now. There's been a lot of rewriting going on, so hopefully that will speed up progress from here on out. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed.